The man stuffed leftover food into his socks, soaked them in the toilet tank, and let the salt dissolve bit by bit. Then, he carefully tore pages from his book, dampened them, and used them to block the tiny window in his cell. Next, he tossed a walkie-talkie, which he had swiped from a guard, into the mix, using the battery and salt to create a chemical reaction that split the water into hydrogen and oxygen. After cutting the wires, he tied a rope to one of the cables. Once all of this was set up, all they had to do was hide under the bed and wait for the hydrogen to build up to the right level. When it was time, they'd yank the rope, causing sparks from the exposed wires, which would trigger an explosion strong enough to blow the cell door off. By the time the guards arrived, the two had already slipped out through a pre-arranged door that an inmate had left open for them. But as the prison gates slammed shut, they were trapped. They ducked into a corner and bided their time, waiting for the guards to open the door. As soon as it did, they knocked the officer out cold, grabbed his keys, and made their way to the laundry room. There, they knocked over a metal rack and used a set of tools they prepped earlier to disassemble and reassemble it into a makeshift ladder. Then they tied a bedsheet to a fire hydrant, grabbed a trash can, and went to work. They sprayed the can with a